Okay, so today we are going to look at reviewing adding double-digit numbers with regrouping. Some of my students are working on that, so we're going to review a couple problems together. So the first problem we're going to look at is 47 plus 15. Okay, whenever we're looking at numbers, I like to look at the place value. So I like to draw a line in between my two digits. The number 47 has two digits. It has a 4 and a 7. The 4 is in the tens place, and the 7 is in the ones place. So 47, and we have 15. We have a 1 in the tens place and a 5 in the ones place. So I'm going to draw a line through there. Okay? I'm going to write blank tens plus blank ones, blank tens plus blank ones, and I like to have my T-chart over here for my tens place and my ones place. Now I'm going to take my two-digit number 47, and I'm going to put my tens in the tens place and my ones in the ones place. So 4 tens, and I'm going to make my 4 tens over here. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. I'm going to check it off that I recorded that evidence. Here I have 47, 7 in the ones place, so I have 4 tens here and 7 ones here, and I'm going to draw my 7 ones. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, new line, 6 ones, 7 ones. I'm going to check that off that I recorded that. Now I'm going to do the number 15. I have a 1 in the tens place. 1 10, and I'm going to change my color. 1 10 I added to the tens over here. I'm going to check that off. Now I have 5 in the ones place, 5 ones, and over here I'm going to make 5 ones. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones. I can see that I have now a group of 10 ones and 2 more ones. Okay? So I can actually look at this and say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 12 ones. My number is not 512. It is 5 in the tens place. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Plus, what's the value in the ones place? There's 10, 11, 12, 50 plus 12. Well, that's kind of hard to add. So what I like to do is I like to cross out my group of 10 and put it over here into the tens place. It's much easier to look at. Once I've regrouped all of those ones, I can move it over to the tens place. So now I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, which has a value of 6D. I don't have 12 ones anymore. Now I only have 2 ones, and I have 60 plus 2 equals 62. Okay, I'm going to do one more problem. The next problem I'm going to do is, let's see, 38 plus 16. Again, I'm going to look at my tens and my ones place. Tens and ones. I have 3 tens and I have 8 ones. 8 ones. My T chart over here. Tens and ones. I have 3 groups of 10, so I'm going to draw 3 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. I'm going to check off that evidence. I have 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new lines, 6, 7, 8 ones. Check that off. I'm going to write blank tens plus blank ones. My next digits are a 1 and a 6. Okay, so in the number 16, I have 1 in the tens place. I'm going to go over here to my tens place and draw 1 10. Check. And 6 ones. I'm going to draw 6 ones here. 1 1, 2 ones, new line, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones. I like to make sure that my ones are always lined up nicely, because then I can see that I actually made a group of 10. I'm going to draw it over here. I'm going to say I'm going to move this regrouping, all of these ones over to the tens place. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. I'm going to cross that off. 5 tens and 4 ones. I think my number is going to be 54. Well, let's look at the value of those 5 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 4 equals 54.